make a snail. Well, this is the third video, so let's get started. An A here, a B here, a C here, a D here, an E here, an F here, a G here, an H here, an I here. Don't forget this, don't miss it. This is a mystery, so J goes here. A K here. Look guys, this is, when it's this is not, kind of not in order, but J is right here. So don't miss it. And now here. And M here. And N here. And don't forget this part, because there's a part here. Also, there's a lot harder than I thought. Oh, here. A P here. A Q here. A R here. We're almost there. Guys, this video is almost done. An S here. A T here. A U here. A V here. A V here. A W here. Finally, X, Y, and Z. Thank you everyone for the snail making. And don't forget the other videos. So goodbye.